Hi guys, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss the Bosch Dishwasher error code H01. We'll cover what this error code means, the cause, and the steps to fix it. But first, what does it mean? The Bosch Dishwasher error code H01 indicates that the delayed start feature of your dishwasher has been activated. When you accidentally get into the startup timer menu, the delayed start of washing dishes, the H1 error code is triggered, and your Bosch dishwasher will be set to start washing the dishes in exactly 1 hour. The following is the common cause of this error code: an activated startup timer menu. Now, let's look at the best solution to apply to fix the error. Delete the timer programming. To do this, follow this step. Locate the plus or minus button and press it until H00 is displayed on the digital display of your Bosch dishwasher. If this solution fails, consult with a service technician for further assistance. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.